Hi guys, I hope you're all doing fine. I've just received some packages. One from Filarina Kenya. Filarina Kenya deals with beauty products. And the other one is from Doralux Kenya, or rather Doralux Kenya. They deal with tumblers, very beautiful diaries. So I'm here to unbox with you, but first let's start with the one from Filarina Kenya. As you can all see guys, this is Filarina. It deals with, I think this is just like an oil you apply on your lips and mouth. For those people who have dry lips, this can work better. So let us unbox it together. Wow. You see the packaging, so beautiful. And here is the lip oil, mouth and lips. Guys, it's so beautiful, very, very beautiful. Wow. I think this is what you do with it. I guess maybe I will figure out, but this is how it looks like. Filarina Kenya. It's so stylish, very beautiful. If you can put it in your bag. Thank you so much, Filarina, for this. I am so much grateful. Another package is from Doralux, and I want us to unbox it together. We get to see how this gift looks like. Actually, they have good products. If you visit their page, you'll see good products, very appealing, and you will love it. You will love it, guys. They're so beautiful, their products. Guys, this is the package from Doralux Kenya. I don't know whether I'm pronouncing it very well, but it is Doralux, or rather Doralux Kenya. They are good in diaries, as I had said, and some tumblers. Those are the things I've been looking in their page. And now this is the gift I received. Actually, all these, they had a giveaway participation. I participated, guys, and I won this giveaway. That's why I want to say thank you so much. Thank you so much. And then I think that is how you open this diary, or what? Because what this thing is saying, it has a lock. Wow, it has a lock. Like if you forget password, use a torch or flashlight to light the lock. Turn each wheel slowly and line up the grooves. The 3 numbers with grooves are your password. Guys, I will figure out how I'll be opening it and closing it. Wow, I've never seen this. Guys, look, I think these are the locks here. These are the locks. These are the locks. Where? I don't know. I'll figure out before. All in all, here is the gift, guys. Here is the gift from Dollar-Rocks Kenya. Thank you so much, Dollar-Rocks, and thank you so much, Filarina Kenya, for all these giveaway products. I am so grateful. I am so grateful. Guys, if you need a diary, Dollar-Rocks Kenya. If you need a lip oil, guys, go to Filarina page. Filarina page. You won't be disappointed. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Dollar-Rocks, and thank you so much, Filarina Kenya. For all your lips, Filarina. For your wonderful diary, Dollar-Rocks Kenya. Thank you so much.
Hey. Waiting around for you to call back, pacing around my room and my dad. Crazy, crazy, I want you to know what you have against me. The city is not the place for us to be. 'Cause I'm trying to figure out why you hate me. Was it something I did? Yeah, I don't need to offend. I'm just waiting, I'm just waiting. Because of all of the lies, yeah, you don't need to disguise your face, your face. I just want you to know that I am rooting for you. It's okay, it's okay. Stress is building up inside my heart. The clock is ticking, the time is up. The way I feel it, I think it's done. Waiting around for you to call back, pacing around my room and my dad. Crazy, crazy, I want you to know what you have against me. The city is not the place for us to be. I wanna find out now, 'cause you got me running all over this town, this town. 'Cause I'm trying to figure out why you hate me. Was it something I did? Yeah, I don't need to offend. I'm just waiting, I'm just waiting. Because of all of the lies. Yeah, you don't need to disguise your face, your face. I just want you to know that I am rooting for you. It's okay, it's okay.
Someday never comes. Road trips and shotguns, sunshine on my skin, smile is kicking in, vibes are in the air, jumping everywhere, endless nights, 'cause summer's on my mind. I'm drenched in sunshine and good times, changing the station with an open mind. I don't wanna sound selfish, but I'm not coming back. The highs of your touch like vertigo, it's a fight or flight rush, no way to take it slow. Got me feeling like I could breathe in space.
Hi guys, this is the diary that I received from Doralux, Kenya. I don't know it's Doralux or Doralux, but this is the diary. So beautiful. So I want to show you how I'll be opening it, because it has some locks, and this is how it is. So this is the diary. As you can all see, these are the locks. These are the locks. So when you want to open it, actually already there is a code already for me. So when I want to open, I do this and it opens. So this is where I'll write my name and everything. These are the pages. These are the pages. There's something I noticed with this book. It has, I think, something that you can plug. You see, guys, like here. Maybe you can write someone, maybe your contacts, then you tear it. You can see it has some partitions where you can plug it. You can plug it, guys. This is how beautiful this notebook is. You see, when you lock it like this, no one will open anything, or no one can access the information inside that diary. This is it, guys.
Pieces fell out of place. Someday never comes. Road trips and shotguns, sunshine on my skin, smile is kicking in, vibes are in the air, jumping everywhere, endless nights, 'cause summer's on my mind. I'm drenched in sunshine and good times, changing the station with an open mind. I don't wanna sound selfish, but I'm not coming back. The highs of your touch like vertigo, it's a fight or flight rush, no way to take it slow. Got me feeling like I could breathe in space, in space. Someday never comes. Road trips and shotguns, sunshine on my skin, smile is kicking in, vibes are in the air, jumping everywhere, endless nights, 'cause summer's on my mind. Someday never comes. Road trips and shotguns, sunshine on my skin, smile is kicking in, vibes are in the air, jumping everywhere, endless nights, 'cause summer's on my mind. Tastes like honey, call me hurricane, waking up to the sun when I'm out again. I didn't let it shade me when the pieces fell out of place. Unlock the giants, I'm too young for dying. I fight with defiance, hard to fit in when I'm flying, flying, fitting when I'm flying, flying. Someday never comes. Road trips and shotguns, sunshine on my skin, smile is kicking in, vibes are in the air, jumping everywhere, endless nights, 'cause summer's on my mind.
Hi guys, I hope you're all doing fine. Last week and this week has been a very busy week for me. Like, I was taking my kids to school, admitting some kids to school, up and down, buying several things for the kids, with very scarcity of money, you know, economy at the moment. But I thank God all that was done. My kids are in school. I'm now at home, trying to plan myself, how I will manage myself, how I'll plan myself, how I'll see what to do with my life. Just planning myself actually. This weekend, I'm just relaxing, not feeling very well, but I'm just enjoying my weekend. That is it, guys. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, support my channel, and you'll get to know more from a person with disability. You know, we are not allowed to say person living with disability, but a person with disability. Actually, I'm relaxing. This is weekend. Looking forward to the coming week. Otherwise, guys, thanks for watching. Till next time.